We are entering inside, and this is northeast when you come out and southwest when you go inside. And this part is broken, needs to be mended. You can see it is moving. It's broken. Now we are entering inside. This is dining with 6 chair dining table. Then this is shoe rack here. Then there's a sofa, 3-piece set, television, curtains, air condition. You can see there's one air condition up here, working condition. And there's a balcony here, huge balcony. There's a swing here which belongs to the owner. And this is the view of west. And there's partial left side pay. This is little mountain view part. This is main Lokhandwala road down there. This is the main circle road, and this is the internal road which is going towards Spring Grove. Now we go back. To the kitchen. There is only modular kitchen here with kitchenette and chimney. That's it. No refrigerator. The sink this side here. Aqua, geyser. As you can see, the cabinets up there. And this is some storage space of the owner. Cylinders and all that kept here. Some junk and storage space. This is the washing machine ka space. Here you can keep your washing machine. The tap here and the outlet as well. As you can see, this is with the Mahanagar gas pipeline attached. Now we are entering the first master bedroom, left from the living. This is the bathroom, attached bath. Then this is the double bed here with mattress. And there's the air conditioner up there. The attached wardrobe here for the air baggage. Then there's a window here towards east where you get full mountain view only from this window. This bedroom, I mean, this window. This is the main Lokhandwala road, main circle. This is the main circle here, which is going towards up. Then this is again the west ka view, southwest. This is south basically, and this is west. So same view which is from the balcony. Then there is a cabinet here, drawers here, table. Quite spacious master bedroom. Now we will be entering the second master bedroom. This is the second master bedroom, and this is the attached toilet bath. And this is again with small air condition of 1 ton with curtains and 2 side open with flower bed here down. Again the same view of the balcony, from the balcony. And there's just one sofa cum double bed in this second master bedroom. And of course curtain rods and curtains with fan. The entire flat needs actually painting and cleaning and some repair, wear and tear, which you can come tomorrow and see what is required more than what I can oversee. This is the common bathroom. This is the common bathroom. And this is the common bedroom with a temple and one wooden almirah and two steel almirahs. One is of National and one is of Godrej. ये गोदरेज में जो है ओनर का सामान है, उन्होंने अपना यहाँ पे सामान लॉक करके छोड़ दिया है गोदरेज के कबर्ड में. सो दिस इज अ कॉमन बेडरूम विद सैमसंग का एयर कंडीशनर which belonged actually to the tenant, but owner has decided to purchase it. So they are not taking it because it has been purchased by the owner. So now every room has air condition and fans.